Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Workflow. In this video, we will see that how can we install the Jarvis complete in our system without any error. And guys, let me tell you the most important thing. This Jarvis is having almost 30 plus functions inside. So you can just check out all these functions here, okay? And guys, you can use this project for your college final year. I have just given this project to lots of college students and they got second prize, third prize and first prize as well. So you can just simply use this project for your college final year. And if you are facing any type of doubt, if you want to know the workflow of this project, means how this project is made and what are the libraries and what are the things, what is the diagram for this, how the things are going on in this project, so you can just directly connect with me for any simple query or simple doubt or for any simple error. You can just directly connect with me over Instagram, over WhatsApp, and you can see here my Gmail and my mobile number is also provided, so you can just directly call me or you can just directly drop message to me over WhatsApp. Okay, it's better to drop the message only. Okay, I will just definitely reply you. Okay, so let's see that how can we install these all those things without any error. Okay, so guys, this is just a paid project. You can see it is just, I have put it for just 99 rupees. Okay, as I was also a student, so I can just understand the condition of the college student, so I have just put it for 99 rupees. It's a very cheap price, everyone can afford this. And guys, as I am creating the project, so it is taking time, so I have just put it for 99 rupees. Okay, so you will get this link in my description box, so you can just go to this pages.razor pay, and this is my page. Okay, so you can just move to this page and you can check out the demo and all those things. There I have embedded the video as well. You can check out the functions demo, and after that you can just simply write your email and phone number and you can just directly pay 99 rupees, and you can just directly purchase this Jarvis from here. Okay, it's just for 99 rupees. And if you want the free version of Jarvis, we have also a free version. You can just join my Telegram and I will provide you the free version from there. Okay, so after doing the payment, you will be redirected to the page where you can just download the this code. Okay, so this is just my Jarvis which I have uploaded there. You will redirected to this page and you can just download this drive, this Jarvis. Okay, and guys, I have all of the projects, college projects. You can see tourism full stack website we have. So if you want any college project, then you can just directly connect with me. Okay, so after downloading that project from there, you will get one file by this name Jarvis Python 2.0. So you have to just simply extract this file. After extracting, you will get this type of folder. Okay, you will get this type of folder and you will get all these files. Okay, all these files in your folder. So what you have to do, you have to just simply right click here and you have to just simply open this in code. Okay, if you are not getting this for to open in this code, let me tell you the prerequisites. Okay, what are the prerequisites? Okay, so you must be having a Python का कोई भी वर्जन आपके पास होना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपके पास एक कोड एडिटर होना चाहिए, VS कोड. उसके बाद आपके में पिप भी इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये जस्ट आप पाइथन इंस्टॉल करोगे तो पिप भी इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, जस्ट यही सिंपल सी चीज़ें आपकी प्रीरिक्विजिट है, ये आपके में होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो VS कोड को में ओपन करना है हमें इस कोड को. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ से आपको ऑप्शन नहीं आता है टू ओपन विद द कोड, देन यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली राइट क्लिक and you can just simply open in terminal. Okay, you will get here option. You can just directly type here cmd and this command prompt will be open and you can just simply write code and space and dot. Okay, and then this folder will be open in the VS code. Okay, you can see this folder is opened in the VS code. Okay, so after opening in the VS code, let's move here and you can see we are in the VS code and you will get all these files. First of all, you have to just simply open the Jarvis main.py. Okay, and you will see here yellow lines and you will get lots of errors here. Okay, in these files because we have not imported all these libraries, so that's why you will see these errors. Okay, you can see we are getting these yellow lines and it is showing that we are having 9 plus errors in the Jarvis main. Okay, so don't worry, I will definitely help you that how can you solve these errors. Okay, so after importing here, you have to install all the libraries. Okay, so suppose that you want to install this numpy. Okay, so you have to just simply type here command pip install numpy. Okay, you have to just simply type pip install numpy. Okay, after typing numpy, you have to just simply enter and this will install the numpy library in your system. Okay, so you don't have to worry wherever you are getting these yellow lines. Okay, you have to just simply copy that thing. May suppose that I want to install this request. Okay, so I will just copy the request and I will just simply type pip install request. Okay, pip install auto GUI, pip install player, pip install pygame, pip install speed test. Okay, in the similar way you can just install all the things. Okay, you have to just install all the libraries, and if you are facing any type of doubt in installing any of the library, then you can just directly comment or directly DM me over WhatsApp or any on any social media. Okay, I will definitely help you. Okay, and you may face error while installing this speech recognition. Okay, so let me tell you that how can you just install this speech recognition. Okay, so for that you have to just simply type pip install, and S will be capital speech and R. Okay, you have to type like this way to install the speech recognition. Okay, let's correct the spelling for this. Okay, so you have to just simply type pip install speech recognition without any space, then this will be installed. Okay, so in the similar way you have to install all these things. Okay, तो तुम्हें सिंपल से क्या करना है, पिप इंस्टॉल लिखना है और जहाँ जहाँ पे येलो लाइन्स आ रही है वो सारे तुम्हें इंस्टॉल कर लेना है. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे है ऐसे इंट्रो फाइल में, तो इसमें जैसे सबसे पहले तुम्हें जाना है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू ओपन दिस जाविस मेन ओनली. ओके, यहाँ के सारे मॉड्यूल्स तुम्हें इंस्टॉल करने हैं. यू हैव टू इंस्टॉल all the libraries for this Jarvis main. Okay, after that you can move to other files, and if you are getting these yellow lines, then you can just install those things. Okay, उसके बाद तुम्हें सारी अदर फाइल्स में जाके जहाँ जहाँ येलो लाइन्स आ रही है उन्हें सबको इंस्टॉल कर लेना है. ठीक है, ये जस्ट एक सिंपल सी चीज़ है. तुम्हें जस्ट सिंपल सा पिप लिखना है, इंस्टॉल लिखना है, और जहाँ जहाँ पे एरर आ रहा है, जैसे कि हमें रिक्वेस्ट इंस्टॉल करना है, तो सिंपल सा रिक्वेस्ट को यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर देना. ठीक है, इस हिसाब से तुम सारे मॉड्यूल्स को इंस्टॉल कर लेना. ठीक है, पिप इंस्टॉल रिक्वेस्ट, पिप इंस्टॉल BS4. ओके, पिप इंस्टॉल उसके बाद उस लाइब्रेरी का नाम. ओके, सो इस तरीके से तुम सारे मॉड्यूल्स को इंस्टॉल कर लेना. ठीक है, आफ्टर इंस्टॉलिंग ऑल दीज लाइब्रेरीज योर एरर्स विल बी गॉन. ओके, लेट मी टेल यू, यहाँ पे मैंने वर्चुअल इन्वायरमेंट क्रिएट कर रखा है. लेट मी सेलेक्ट द ग्लोबल सॉरी, बिकॉज ग्लोबल में मेरे सारी चीज़ें इंस्टॉल्ड हैं. ठीक है, तो अभी सारे एरर्स हमारे यहाँ से गायब हो जाएंगे. लेट मी टेल यू दोस थिंग्स. ओके, so by this way you can just simply install all of the modules. Okay, and you will not face any error, I can guarantee you. And still if you are facing any error, then you can just definitely connect with me. Okay, please watch this video till the end. Okay, then only you can just install and use these things. Okay, and if you want to know that how to use this Jarvis, then uske liye मेरे पास दूसरा video. For that we have created the another video where we have used all of the functions of the Jarvis. Then you can watch that video and you can just give the prompt like that way, so that your Jarvis will work fine. Okay, so you can see our errors all gone. Okay, so in the similar way if you will install all the libraries, then your errors will also be gone. Okay, so now our all things are ready. Now we are ready to run this project. Okay, so how to run this project? First of all, it will ask you for the password. Okay, so you have to open this password.txt, and here you can see I have given the name as Shivam. Okay, so whatever name you will give in this password.txt file, that will be the password for your Jarvis. Okay, so suppose that I am just giving here Shivam Yadav. Okay, so the password will be Shivam Yadav for my Jarvis. Okay, let's save this and let's run. Okay, so for running you have to just simply open the Jarvis main.py, and you have to right click and you will see run Python file in terminal. Let's click on this and your Jarvis will be working. Okay, and first of all it will open the GUI. Okay, and now I have added the GUI also in this. Okay, and if you are not getting the GUI, then just drop message to me. Okay, and it is asking for the password. So whatever password is given in this password.txt, you have to give. Okay, you can change this as well. If you are just giving this to the college or something, then you can just change the password. Okay, Shivam Yadav. Okay, and after that you have to simply put enter. Okay, and you can see your project is now running. Okay, and this is the GUI. First of all you will get this type of GUI. This is just an Iron Man, and some music is also playing. Okay, and you can see listening. Wake up, Jarvis.
Good afternoon, sir. Please tell me.
Okay, so you can see our Jarvis is now working. Okay, and finally sleep, Jarvis.
Going to sleep, sir.
Okay, so it is now going to sleep. Okay, so if you want to know that how we have to give the commands, how we have to just work all the things. Okay, you can see here WhatsApp feature is also there, translate, IPL score is also there, keyboard, intro, greet me, focus mode, and that thing alarm is also there, and that calculate number, dictionary, and that scheduling feature is also, all the things are there in our Jarvis. So you can use those things, and you can check out the description video for that. That video is very important, because in that video you will learn that how can we give the commands to the Jarvis and how Jarvis is replying. Okay, So that's important video. Okay, so our Jarvis is working now. Okay, and let me tell you the most important thing. If you are not getting that GIF means GUI. Okay, whenever you will run this, you if you want to get the GUI, then you have to move to this line number 30 or 28 something after this welcome sir. Okay, here you will get this from into import play GIF. We are just importing that this GIF. Let me show you that iron snap. Okay, this GIF we are using in the starting. Okay, so you have to just we have just commented this. Okay, so you have to just remove the hedge from here. Okay, you have to just simply remove the hedge and you have to just simply save. And now whenever you will run this, then after writing the password, you will get the that GIF and that music also, which I have shown you. Okay, so this is all about our Jarvis, and we have already told you that how can you just install all these libraries. And if I still facing any doubt, then you can just definitely connect with me. Okay, and guys, we have lots of projects of your college. We have one stack project, mean stack project, PHP XAMPP project. If you want any project related to your college, okay, then you can just directly connect with me. Okay, I will just provide you all of the course source codes. There are some of the codes which are free and some are paid, and the codes which are paid, they are also in a very cheap price. Okay, they are just 99 rupees, 59 rupees. Okay, because I am making the projects and it is just taking time. Okay, so that's why I'm just taking the and giving you all the things for in a चीप प्राइस. तुमने भी यूट्यूब वगैरह पे देखा होगा बहुत सारे कोर्स मतलब कि कोर्स देते हैं, बाकी काफ़ी महंगे महंगे वहाँ पे देते हैं, बट आई हैव जस्ट सेटेड द चीप प्राइस. ओके, यू कैन सी यू हैव टू जस्ट simply go to this page and you can just directly purchase this. Okay, and if you face any type of doubt, then I have already provided you the number, so you can just directly connect with me. And guys, please subscribe my channel. This is my new channel, so it's better to subscribe because I want your support. Okay, and in the future we will create more Jarvises, and we will just try to integrate some human emotions as well in those projects. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye, take care of yourself guys. If you're facing any type of doubt, then you can just directly connect with me, and please follow us on Instagram as well.